Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and seeing this unbelievable message on your phone. 1 billion credited to your bank account. Not just you, everyone on Earth now has $1 billion. Your mum, your teacher, your boss, your auto driver, your neighbor, everyone is suddenly a billionaire. But before we get to that chaos, let's answer the viral question that started it all. If Elon Musk has $381 billion and the world has only 8 billion people, why doesn't he give everyone $1 billion? Simple math destroys this fantasy. 1 billion times 8 billion people equals $8 quintillion. That amount of money doesn't even exist on Earth. So no billionaire can make everyone rich. But let's say it magically happened. Everyone really gets $1 billion. You jump out of bed, screaming with excitement. You're done with your job forever. You rush to your favorite bakery to celebrate, but the store is locked. Where's the baker? He's on his brand new $1 million yacht, sipping juice and waving goodbye to his job. You get frustrated and start driving, but suddenly, crash, a small accident. No big deal, right? You call the ambulance, but guess what? The ambulance driver just bought a brand new Lamborghini and is too busy taking Instagram photos to pick you up. Now you're starving, so you go back to the bakery later. This time, it's finally open. You grab a loaf of bread. The price tag hits you like a punch in the face. 10,000 fresh bread. Why? Because the baker doesn't need your money anymore. He's already a billionaire, so he only works if he feels like it. And when he does work, he charges whatever he wants. Soon, there's no garbage pickup, no hospitals, no electricians, no farmers, no delivery guys, no teachers, no internet technicians. Everybody quit. Money loses meaning. Society collapses. And $1 billion becomes worth less than toilet paper. Because when everyone is a billionaire, nobody actually is.